Okay, we're looking at an installation for ear pads on the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2. Alright, first things first is let's look at what we have under the hood. So we have an ear pad with 4 little holes, and we have a plastic frame with 4 little plastic bits here. So it's pretty straightforward with the installation. You can just pull the ear pad straight off to get it off, and then we have the ear pads are obviously shaped to a certain size. You have an L on this one here. You have an R on this one here. You can see the L there and the R there. So to install them, all you do is flip it over, L to L, on they go. Probably the easiest installation ever.
If this video is helping you out, Monty, the AHG dog, wants you to smash that like button and share it with a friend, because this is how he gets more biscuits. Don't forget that 60% of the time, it's a great idea every time to subscribe and hit those bell notifications and stay in the loop with all of our news, reviews, and how-tos.